Welcome to another episode of the Google Sheets Broker Connector, and today we will have a quick look at a specific issue that might occur when you are looking at your net liquidation, and in particular when you are adding deposits to your account. So really the goal of this video is to trade simpler, to automate, and to handle with the case of having net liquidation jumping drastically when you are putting a deposit to your account. And the goal is to make sure that you are first of all tracking the deposits, second of all tracking and calculating the growth of your portfolio accurately. And this is how we're gonna do it today, by clicking a button, simply clicking a button. So let's go back to our spreadsheet, and as you can see, the latest net leg I've fetched from my account is from 12th of July. Today is 22nd of July, and you can see on the left hand side we have a specific column for deposits. Okay, so nothing's been deposited lately. And one other thing to keep an eye on is the portfolio growth, because this has to be accurate whenever we put money or withdraw money from the account. Let's go ahead and click a button, add new net liquidation, and this will also take care of any deposits that may have happened on the account. Here we are. As you can see, the deposit was clearly fetched here on in the spreadsheet. And what's important to note is the portfolio growth here is actually capturing this event. You can see 15th of July there is a deposit. The net leg jumped from 61 to 100, and this is a smooth ride of the portfolio growth. This is taken into account smoothly, and this is thanks to my friend Victor, who's put the calculation together, and we've implemented this in the spreadsheet here in the hidden columns. And if you were to look at the chart, you'll see that it's let's have a look here if I can find this in here. Net leg chart, you can see we had some deposit, and the percentage is fine, is calculated correctly. Obviously we are seeing a bit of a drawdown here, but nothing special, nothing to be worried about. Here you have it, trading simpler, automating and fetching new liquidation, and keeping track of the portfolio growth when there is a deposit to the account. If you want to know more, head off to my website here, where you can get access to the spreadsheet. Thank you for watching.